going to sign in to Parrot. Okay, I already have an ID. Yeah, password, so I just sign in first. All right, everything clean. This is the self-service, Parrot self-service. So I have logged in, and I am the admin here for Fursa. So now I want to create a bot, okay, which I can put it in my website. So first, let me give the name, the easiest thing, Erika, and then I call it as like our people assistant. All right. So now we have to add content. See, the content for frequently asked question is expected to be in certain format. So for this use case, we have already done the formatting of the content. I'll explain like how the content looks like. So we can upload a CSV. So let me take the CSV. Put it as Amigo. Okay, you might be wondering like what is there in Amigo actually. Like let me just show you like how it looks like. So this is basically the Amigo the CSV file actually. The CSV file actually. I mean, don't be confused with the name Amigo. It's the name we have given, but this is basically the CSV file which contains all the questions and answers. Okay. So you might be seeing like there is too many information which I will explain as we go actually. Let's see like what has happened. Okay, so 33 lines of content processed. Let us just quickly verify. Yeah, we have 33 lines actually, excluding the top, which is a header. So 33 lines done. Okay, all right. So let's go on to the next. Okay. Okay. So this basically like shows you what are the different questions and answers, and if you want see everything, like just increase it to 50. Okay, all right. Yeah. So let's take one question and see like what is defined here. So basically like this is about the payday. Okay. So here the question is like, when do I get paid? So we are trying to keep the answer like a lot more interesting. So it is like looks like someone cannot pay to get the first paycheck. Okay. At Fusra, we get paid. Okay. So this is the text what you are going to respond with. Okay. But it is not just text. You can also create some tags which can help you the next action what you want to do. That also can be here actually. Okay. So this is pretty much the content you have defined. Okay. And so once I'm done with the content actually, next. Okay, so this is where actually the magic happens. Like this data gets converted to what do I call like semantic graphs, and there is the responses are being prepared and other stuff. I'll quickly go through the Excel actually just to show you like all the things we have actually. So normally like the domain is basically the bot name. The topic basically tells you what is the higher level of subjects we are going to talk about. So we are going to talk about the payroll and tax, or we are going to talk about the attendance, we are going to talk about the learning management. So these are all grouping of the topics. You can go to the multiple levels. So far we are keeping it to 3 levels, sub level 1 and 2. And that basically like this gives you a first level of the subjects what you are going to talk about. Okay, then the unique tag is basically like how do you call this question as actually like for example I incurred a expense related work. So how do I expense this out? You basically you just tag it saying that's an expense policy. When do I get paid? It's a payday. So you just tag each and every question in a unique way. Okay. Then the answer. What is the answer actually? For each of these questions, what is the answer? So after you complete an answer, it is always good to nudge the people to do some action. So for example, someone is asking about a leave, okay? Nudge them to apply the leave in the system so that they can, when they take a leave, they can really go and apply the leave actually. So these are all the tasks which will either help you to take it to a place where they can complete the action, or it can be a conversation where it can do an action actually. So it can be both of them actually. Okay, then what are the related tags to that actually? So for you to do that, see in all the tasks here, we have put the action as link actually. It is taking you to the place where you can do the action. Okay, so that is where the link is. And to make it look cleaner, we are adding some images to the entire responses. Okay, so that is what this image link is all. So this is pretty much like the Excel what you had to prepare. Okay, so now is 33 lines of content done, and then make the bot available in the Parrot. Okay, so now we will give the name Erika. Okay. If you want to change the avatar, you can change. I don't have any other good picture. I think no, I like it. Let's leave it here. And let's go with this. Okay. So now your bot is ready. So now we will try to put this bot in the website. So I copy the code snippet, and you remember this is our the website of Fresa. So we will add it now. So I have the HTML page of Fresa, okay, which is here. Okay, which is here actually, this talks about Fresa building something is good, all those stuff actually, which is what are there in the website. So now I will add the script here. Okay, I save it. See, this is nothing to do with the bot. This is basically this is only the snippet. We have to include it in your website. So I'm just demoing how do you include the script in your website. That's it. So so here I'll just do a change to that, and I commit saying that adding Parrot to my website. Adding right, committed. Now I push the code. Okay, I have pushed the code, and now let's go to so we will redeploy the website actually. Okay, so once the redeploy is over, you'll be able to see it is still. I don't think I have started. Okay, I'll schedule it now. Yeah, now I schedule the build. We go to the build history. That is running now. Version 41 is running. It's initiated like 6 seconds before. Yeah, the first step is completed. The second step is running actually. Okay, done. So now let's go to the filter websites. I don't have anything like that. See, you have the bot now. Website. Just click on it. Open it up. And it can answer you some of those basic questions. It's exactly like now what you have seen, and it is now available on the website. So when you close it, it will ask you for the feedback. You can always give the feedback, and then you can give any comments here. Okay. So this is a quick demo of like how conversational AI assistant can be implemented in a shorter time, like in few minutes actually. Of course, like is it comprehensive enough? Probably like not comprehensive, and we may have to add more conversation, and we have to add more content, we have to add more intelligence. But I'm just showing you the possibilities. So we do have a lot of expertise in this, and then if you can give us your website, and then it's a matter of like creating the content, and then we can have the bot ready actually. So it is as simple as that actually.